What's up, guys? Here's a quick tip on radio interference. So you grab your GoPro and your favorite RC and you're headed out to your favorite spot to shoot some cool clips. You get all set up and you take off and you lose radio signal. So what the heck? Change the batteries, you check your antenna, you go through all the steps and procedures and you don't know what's going on. If you're running the Traxxas 2.4 gigahertz radio or any 2.4 gigahertz radio, then most likely your GoPro is interfering with your radio signal and hogging the waves. Now, my GoPro has definitely seen better days, but quick remedy to this issue, just hit that Wi-Fi button on the side of your GoPro. Turn off the Wi-Fi. You can keep your camera on, just turn off the Wi-Fi. That should help you out. If the video helped you out, help me out. Go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe for more cool content. Thanks for watching.